tutorial, I'll show you how to design a frosted glass user icon in Figma. By the end, you'll have a clean frosted glass avatar with a subtle shadow, ready to place in your UI or mockups. First, open your Figma file and create a frame for your design. On the toolbar, click the Frame tool and drag to draw a frame on the canvas. You'll see the frame selected in the right sidebar, which is where we'll adjust everything. Next, draw a circle for the background of the icon. Press O to switch to the Ellipse tool, then drag out a circle inside the frame. Make it the size you want your user icon to be. Now, set the circle's fill color to white and lower the opacity to around 10 to 20%. With the circle selected, look in the right sidebar under Fill, choose White, and reduce the opacity slider. This gives the base a translucent glass feel without being too bright. Add a subtle linear gradient for a more realistic glass effect. In the Fill section, change the type from solid to linear. Keep both color stops white, then slightly vary their opacities, for example, a bit higher on one end and a bit lower on the other, to create a gentle top-to-bottom or diagonal shift. This tiny change gives the glass some depth without visible banding. Go to FX, click the plus button, and choose Background Blur. You'll see a new effect appear in the panel. Increase the blur value to create the frosted look. Try a range between 15 and 30. As you adjust, watch the circle. Background blur in Figma softens whatever is behind the shape within the same frame. If your frame is simple or empty, the effect will look subtle, which is expected for clean frosted glass. Add a light stroke to create a glass edge. In the stroke section, set the weight to 1 pixel, choose white, and lower the stroke opacity so it's barely there. This faint rim defines the glass without making it look outlined. Insert a simple user icon inside the circle. Use a head and shoulders symbol and place it neatly within the circle so it reads clearly at the intended size. Keep it centered so the composition feels balanced. Set the user icon color to white or a soft neutral tone. With the icon selected, change its fill to pure white or a very light gray. This contrast ensures the icon remains readable over the frosted surface. Add a soft drop shadow to lift the glass element from the background. Select the glass circle, go back to Effects, click the plus button, and choose Drop Shadow. Keep it subtle. Use a small Y offset, a moderate blur, and a low opacity neutral shadow color. The goal is a gentle separation from the background, not a heavy, dark shadow. If the shadow feels too strong, slightly reduce its opacity until the glass looks like it's hovering naturally. At this point, you have a circular glass base with a gentle gradient, background blur, a faint white edge, and a clear user icon sitting inside, all finished with a soft drop shadow. Your frosted glass user icon in Figma is now complete and ready to use in your designs. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.